Hey, beautiful people, welcome back to Beautyistic. Have you ever struggled with finding the perfect concealer that truly delivers on both coverage and longevity? If so, today's review might just be the one you've been waiting for. We're talking about the Balm Anti-Dote's TimeBalm Concealer in the shade Just Before Dark. This cream-based concealer promises to be a multitasker, covering everything from blemishes to dark circles, and we're going to put it to the test to see if it lives up to the hype. Now, let's get into the details. The first thing you'll notice about the TimeBalm Concealer is its smooth, cream texture. It feels really rich and emollient, which is great for those with dry skin or anyone looking for a hydrating option. The formula is paraben-free, so that's a plus if you're conscious about those ingredients. It's designed for all skin types, which makes it quite versatile. What I love about this concealer is its buildable nature. A little goes a long way, so you can start with a small amount and build up for more coverage if needed. For me, the Just Before Dark shade was a perfect match. Not too dark, not too light. It has a nice warm undertone, so it didn't leave me with that dreaded grayish or ashy finish. That's something I've had issues with in the past when testing other concealers. During testing, I used it both on blemishes and under my eyes. On blemishes, it provided solid coverage, hiding those imperfections without feeling heavy or cakey. Under the eyes, it did an impressive job of concealing dark circles. It stayed in place throughout the day, which is crucial for me, especially when it comes to concealers that tend to crease or fade quickly. That brings me to one of the key things to note: its wear time. I wore this concealer for an entire day, and it held up well. I didn't notice any significant creasing, which is always a challenge with cream-based formulas. However, by the end of the day, I did see a little bit of fading, but it wasn't too bad. A light touch-up would easily solve that. Now, let's talk about the cons. While the formula is creamy and smooth, it might not be the best choice for those with very oily skin. Throughout the day, I noticed a slight shine in my T-zone, which could be a concern for people prone to excess oil. However, for normal to dry skin, this should be a great match. Is it worth the price? I would say yes, especially considering the performance and the fact that a little bit goes a long way. You're getting good quality for the price, and it's a product that will last quite a while before you need to repurchase. However, if you're on a budget, there are definitely more affordable options out there. But if you're looking for something that provides both hydration and coverage without compromising on staying power, this is a solid choice. If you're looking for similar options, I'd recommend checking out NYX's HD Photogenic Concealer Wand for a more budget-friendly alternative. It provides a similar finish, though it's not quite as hydrating as the TimeBalm. In terms of build quality, the packaging is simple and functional. The pot design is great for keeping the product sanitary if you use a brush or clean fingers, but it may not be as convenient for on-the-go application. I do appreciate that the packaging is sturdy, so it won't break easily if dropped. I didn't have to contact customer support directly, but the Balm is generally known for responsive and helpful service, so you can feel confident in that regard. To wrap things up, the Balm Anti-Dote's TimeBalm Concealer delivers on its promises of coverage and wearability. It's perfect for dry skin and offers excellent coverage without feeling heavy. However, if you have oily skin, you might want to check out other options or use a mattifying primer to make it work. I would recommend this concealer for anyone looking for a hydrating, buildable option to tackle blemishes and dark circles. If this review was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss any of our honest beauty reviews. Your support helps us keep bringing you the content you love. Thanks for watching, and if you've tried this concealer, drop a comment below and share your experience. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.